From the center of the universe, Toronto, Ontario, Canada, this is the SDM Show with your host, Rob Cairns. The SDM Show focuses on business, life, productivity, digital marketing, WordPress, and more. Sit back, relax, grab your favorite drink, and enjoy the show. Here is Rob.
Hey, Rob Cairns here. I'm the founder, CEO, and chief creator of Amazing Ideas at Stunning Digital Marketing. In today's solo show, I talk about why managing your time and using your calendar is important. Grab a drink, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. This episode of the SDM Show is sponsored by Stunning Digital Marketing, the agency to handle all your WordPress website security needs. Go on over to stunningdigitalmarketing.com and find out how we can help you secure your website so you no longer have an issue with backups, being hacked, or your website being compromised. That's stunningdigitalmarketing.com. Hey, Rob here again. In this solo show, I want to talk about time management and how to manage your calendar because it really matters. So let's sort of look at how we better manage our days and how we can manage our calendar a little better and how we can make sure we're not late for meetings. So first of all, if it were me, I'd be using Google Calendar. It's kind of the de facto standard for calendars on the internet. It works with everything really well. It works with calendar invites. It works with most calendar booking software seamlessly. So if for me, I would get on Google Calendar really quickly and make it my standard. It makes life easy, especially if you're moving between Android and iOS on a smartphone, on a tablet, and moving from Mac or PC. It's just seamless. So get Google Calendar. The second approach I do is I use a bookings link for all my clients. And these days, the service I use is TidyCal. It's an AppSumo service. It was originally about $20 US. I think it sells for about $30 now. Lifetime deal. And you can set up as many booking links as possible. So the advantage of using a booking link, it stops all this go-between. Oh, are you free at 3? No, I'm free at 3:30 and so on. You can set up your booking parameters on what hours that you're available to be booked for any certain category and what time you need in between bookings. I normally set mine to about 30 minutes unless it's an on-site booking, and then I'll set it between an hour and a half. And that way you get proper bumper time in between all your bookings. It's just really easy. And then you give the client the link and it stops all those go-betweens. Again, are you free at 2? Are you free at 4? Et cetera, et cetera. So get a booking service. The third thing I do is I color code my Google Calendar. So for example, any business stuff is in green. Any webinar I'm going to join is in yellow. Any podcast I review or record I'm going to do is in teal. And any appointment will be in red, and so on. The point is, color code your calendar. It's easier to take a glance and say, I have these type of activities these days. And the last tip I have, don't keep separate personal and business calendars. Events get missed. I used to do that, and it's awful. Put your personal events in your business calendar and just color code them as a personal event. For example, mine is grape, and that's how I do that. And then the last tip I've got is for meetings, whenever possible, show up 5 minutes early. I pride myself on never being late. It's just not the way I roll. It's not the way it happens. So don't ever be late for a meeting. Be early. Those are some tips on managing your productivity schedule in your calendar. Rob Cairns, CEO at Stunning Digital Marketing. Have a great day, everybody. Bye for now. This episode of the SDM Show is sponsored by Stunning Digital Marketing, the agency to handle all your WordPress website security needs. Go on over to stunningdigitalmarketing.com and find out how we can help you secure your website so you no longer have an issue with backups, being hacked, or your website being compromised. That's stunningdigitalmarketing.com. Thank you for listening to this edition of the SDM Show. The SDM Show is brought to you by Rob Cairns and Stunning Digital Marketing. For more information about Rob Cairns and Stunning Digital Marketing, go to stunningdigitalmarketing.info. From here, you can connect to us on social media, go to our website, and even go to the podcast to subscribe. This podcast is dedicated to my late father, Bruce Cairns. Dad, I miss you very much. Keep your feet on the ground. Keep reaching for the stars. Make your business succeed.